In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of this custom-built new construction home right here in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a little over 2,900 square feet, located on a cul-de-sac lot here in Fountain Inn. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Pickens County, Lawrence County, and all the cities and towns in between. List price on this home is $589,000. Completely custom built home, modern craftsman style home. I mean, this home is so gorgeous on the inside. So I can't wait to show you on the inside what it looks like. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you can be notified anytime that we post a new video. Now, I'm gonna pan around here and show you this home so you can check it out. Now, this home is actually built in an older development, so there are older homes around it. So it's a cul-de-sac lot. So basically, it's one of those lots that were left in the neighborhood, and the builder bought it and built this gorgeous home on it, okay? And the guys are working on staining for the concrete. Gorgeous looking driveway. Pretty long too. Look how long that driveway is. Starts over there. Long driveway. Cement board siding and obviously wood. And that is a balcony right up there. We'll definitely be looking at it. And okay, so you got the front porch there. Now the guys just finished staining, so we're gonna go through the back door, but the guys just finished staining here. But I'm gonna go through the back door and then I'll bring you back up front, okay? Look at the details. Large lot. Very nice size side yard, backyard. You got plenty of trees. Nice and private. Got the back porch there. And you got this area here. The builder is supposed to most likely do like a fire pit in that area. Covered deck. You could probably, get this screened in later if you wanted to. And we're gonna go in from this back door. You got the glass there, so I mean, look how bright this place is. Electric fireplace. You got plenty of accent walls in this home. Let me back up here so I can show you. Nice open floor plan. All right, so this would normally be front door. So I'm gonna, go out to the front here so I can give you a better perspective. So front door, you got your front porch there. Nice pendant light hanging down from there. Nice accent walls. Look at that dark wall back there. There are 2 bedrooms on that side over there, so we'll go over there. Nice island. You got a place you can put your bar stools. Dining area. Quartz countertop. You got these brass pools. Look at that fume hood there. Nice. And look at the detail. Look up there. And you got, those pendant lights. You got 3 of them hanging down from the ceiling there. Farmhouse sink. Stainless steel appliances. It's electric, smooth top. It's where the refrigerator will go. Plenty of cabinet space here. You got the luxury vinyl plank, light color. Very, very bright in here. We'll go this way. This is the garage, 2-car oversized garage. And you got the mudroom, laundry room there. And this is the owner's suite. And you got the nice vaulted ceiling. No feeling claustrophobic in this room here or anywhere in this house. Nice accent wall that goes into the bathroom area. So you've got a small closet here. Now this home has 2 closets. So you've got one here. And you got nice barn doors to get in here. Water closet. Nice tile floor in here. And look at that standalone tub, double sinks. And look at that shower. Wow. Nice tile work there. So they're still waiting for the glass enclosures for these bathrooms. But this is gorgeous bathroom. Look at this ceiling. Nice details in this home. And this is the second closet, the bigger closet. Larger one of the 2. And you got the woodwork there. Nice wood closet. Let's head over to the other side of the home. This builder here, a custom home builder, they do build other plans as well. But look at the size of this bedroom as well. So this home has, is built with what they consider 2 master bedrooms, but this closet's way smaller, just a normal size closet. See if I can get in it. I haven't put the pools on it yet, but it does have the custom woodwork in there as well. Nice high ceilings. And this one has an ensuite bathroom. Tiled all the way to the ceiling. They are still waiting for the glass enclosures for these. Give you some perspective there. Nice cabinet. Nice accent walls all throughout this home. And another nice bathroom here. Same thing with the glass enclosures. Nice vanity. Third bedroom, again, nice accent wall. And there's laminate floors throughout this home. This room has a bigger closet. Head on upstairs. Now this is what they're considering a 4th bedroom, but really it could be used as a bonus room, an office, or whatever you want to use it for. So, but it's a pretty huge room up here. So let's go up here and check it out. So, and just to give you some perspective, that this door is to the left as soon as you come in the foyer. Head on upstairs. No carpet in this house, so you got nice wood threads. Check this out. Look at that woodwork there as you come in. It's nice and open into the room. Look at that. Go back here. Stairs. This way, and right here you have your mini kitchenette and a balcony. Nice balcony up here, so really make a great office space, or whatever you want to use it for. This door here is just attic access, and there is a bigger attic access on the other side. So let's head on up here. Another attic access, Lennox HVAC unit. Not much storage in here, but I don't reckon you want to be storing a whole bunch of stuff in there anyway. All right, there is a half bath up here. So it's your half bath. And also has a closet, which is why they're saying 4-bedroom. And we've already seen the outside. So, I mean, this particular home here, like I said, is available for sale right now, $589,000. Coming to tour this property with a buyer of mine, so I wanted to kind of give you an opportunity to see what this beautiful home looks like. The builder does have other properties, other plans that they build, but the detail here is just wonderful, wonderful detail. You can see the level of detail, attention to detail that they've paid to this particular home. You know, in the other plans, there are 2-story plans that they offer as well. And if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you're interested in new construction in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, we are the new construction experts, and we would love to help you buy your new construction home the smart way, the right way. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Let us know if you're interested in this home or know someone who might be interested in any home or any other properties for sale. 864-438-5050 or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.